Welcome to my channel. This is your car doctor, Jess Garcia. We have another topic about the bulb body for Subaru Impreza Forester 2012 to 2016 model. We have the TR580 bulb body for the auto transmission gearbox. What's the common problem about the bulb body to your auto transmission? You don't need to change your bulb body to your auto transmission gearbox if you have a code P2764, P2763, and P2762. The common issue is your torque converter lock-up solenoid. This one. This is the torque converter solenoid. So, we have four. So, from here, you have the all-wheel drive solenoid. So, you have to check through your multimeter. You need to get the reading of 2 to 4.5 ohms for this solenoid, this all-wheel drive solenoid. And then the next one is primary solenoid, primary down solenoid, this one. So remember this, all right? So from here, that's your all-wheel drive solenoid. The next one is primary down solenoid. So you have to check through your multimeter. You need to get the reading of 10 to 13.5 ohms. And then the next one, the third one here. This is a primary up solenoid. So same. You need to get 10 to 13.5 ohms reading. And the last one here is your lock-up solenoid. Alright, so this is the common problem. All you need, if you have check engine lights and then the code like what I said, P2764, P2763, and P2762. All you need is check all the solenoid and you need to get the right reading, like 10 to 13.5 ohms. This one, this is the lock-up solenoid. You don't need to buy the complete bulb body to your Subaru Impreza or Forester. This is the TR580 and TR690 bulb body for the auto transmission oil, transmission for your auto transmission gearbox. So remember, you don't need to buy the complete bulb body to fix the problem. Just check all this solenoid and you need to get the right reading. Like this one, like I said, you need 2 to 4.5 ohms reading. And the rest is 10 to 13.5 ohms reading. If you find the faulty one, just change the torque converter solenoid and fix the problem. That's it. I hope I give you some tips how to fix your bulb body to your Subaru Impreza and Forester. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share to my channel, your car doctor, Jess Garcia. And thank you for watching.